Hi, guys. Can we just talk about feet for a second? That moment when you get home after wearing shoes all day and you're almost scared to take them off? Tell me I'm not alone here. Between errands, workouts, and just life. By the end of the day, my feet have earned some kind of medal, so this is Lume Whole Body Deodorant Cream. Deodorant for your feet. I know, that sounds a little strange at first, but it actually makes sense once you think about it, because it's not just an underarm thing. Doctor developed and made to stop odor before it starts, for up to 72 hours. No aluminum, no baking soda, just a gentle formula that works pretty much anywhere. Odor shows up, feet included. That's really the idea behind it. One product instead of 5 different things scattered around your bathroom cabinet. Gym bag, overnight trip, long day at work. It just works, wherever you need it. It also comes in a few formats: stick, cream, or wipes. So there's a version that fits however you like to apply it. But if whole body deodorant plus feet never crossed your mind before, this is your sign to give it a try.